The 501321 cable gland consists of three key components: entry and IP seal and the back nut. This EXE cable gland is designed for use with non-armoured elastomer and plastic insulated cables. This cable gland may be used with braided cables where the braid and outer sheath pass into the enclosure. The braid must be suitably terminated inside the enclosure. Assembly instructions are provided with Hawke cable glands, or can be downloaded via the Hawke website. Allow sufficient length of cable to suit the equipment the cable is being terminated into. Pass the cable through the cable gland. Please note, if the equipment has a threaded entry, it may be advisable to screw the cable gland into the equipment to prevent twisting of the cable. The method of installation may vary depending on the enclosure type. Hold the entry in position with a spanner or wrench to prevent rotation, and tighten the back nut using a spanner or wrench until resistance is felt between the seal and the cable. Then turn the back nut through a further half to 1 full turn to complete the inner seal. Installation is complete.